Hi guys, welcome to another moving vlog. So today I have so much cleaning and organizing to do. It's 2 days after I moved in and it's just still a mess. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target over there in a minute, but everything is just a mess. Like I just need to fix this like as soon as possible. So I got some stuff from Target yesterday. Kind of boring, it's a lot of like cleaning supply stuff, but I'll still give you guys a little haul. Target had literally everything I needed except for all-purpose spray, which was like the #1 thing I needed, and I still don't have that, so I'll have to go find that somewhere else. But I got a toilet scrubber cleaner thing, some glass cleaner for windows and mirrors, a scrub brush for the bathtub. Oh, and I also got purple shampoo. I'm gonna try this. I got laundry detergent. This one's my favorite one. I love the smell of lavender, of course. I also got this really cute trash can. I don't know why I needed a cute trash can, but it's gonna look so cute in my bathroom. It has like a little plastic thing in it. And I also really wanted one with a lid. I also got wallpaper. So I've wanted this for literally so long, but my parents wouldn't let me put it in my room at home because they thought it was going to ruin the walls. I also got these sponges for dishes, of course. These are more like environmentally friendly, so I wanted to get those. Oh, I got pumpkin smelling Febreze. I also got these really cute baskets. So I got 2 baskets for organizing stuff under my sink. These are so cute, you guys. I'm so excited about these. And I also got a duster because my room is super dusty and it needs to not be dusty. I got dryer sheets. My clothes are definitely gonna be smelling like lavender. And I also got a cute little toothbrush holder. And I think that's everything I got from Target. Oh, let me show you guys. Okay, this thing is really heavy, so I'm not even gonna attempt to pick it up, but it's a shoe shelf for my shoes. So I'm gonna put that together at some point. Now I made an even bigger mess. Good job, Maddie. So I honestly don't really know where to start. I think I'm just gonna like pick up my room and like try to declutter it, make my bed, and get everything like kind of situated first. But I think I'm just gonna go through and like put this stuff where it's supposed to go, I guess. I don't know. But this box over here, it's a little beat up. This box has a ton of desk decorations or like desk stuff. My mom made me a cute little cookbook that I haven't filled up yet. This is Ab, say hi.
Hi.
This is one of my roommates. Her room is super clean, super cute. Mine is not. She says she's watching my video right now too.
Yeah. Here it is.
That's me. Okay, this is kind of already better. Still not great. My bathroom is a complete disaster. So I need to clean everything really, really good. Look at this little baby vacuum I have. My mom got it for me in the dorm room because everything was small, but it's like a toy vacuum. Okay, the floor is all nice and vacuumed. So now I'm going to vacuum like right there because the actual vacuum like can't reach it normally. And I'm also going to dust the molding. I think I'm just gonna like work my way around the room and just like clean whatever because I don't know what to do next. So I'm gonna water my plants right now because those need to be watered. part of my room definitely looks a lot better. I need to find spots for like all that stuff, but I like everything down here. And you guys, this stuff smells so good. It literally smells like fall. I love it so much. Definitely recommend you get this. Honestly, it's freezing in here, but the giant box is gone. So this is a lot of like school supplies and Cricut stuff, so I need to find a spot to put all of this, but we are making progress. Still no decorations though. That will honestly probably be a different vlog. Now we're gonna move on to my desk area, which there's not too much to do with this. I just have to like organize it. I'm gonna take my Cricut out of the box and get all of that stuff situated. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse. You guys, this is like already a completely new room, minus the bathroom and the closet. I haven't done anything with that yet, but it looks so clean, so organized. It looks so good already. Hi guys, so it is day 2 of cleaning and organizing. So we got a lot done yesterday, but I still have to do my bathroom and my closet. I also need to organize my section in the pantry and the refrigerator / freezer, but I probably won't include that in today's video. So this is what it looks like right now. I can't remember if I said this or not, but Doug did change out the lights in here too. So it's like a million times brighter and it's a lot nicer in here. But this is kind of a mess. Under my sink is also a huge mess. So I need to organize all of this stuff. My shower is fine. I tried to find like an organizer thing that goes on the shower head, but I couldn't find one. So maybe I'll have to look at Amazon, but this is good for now. I also put the trash can right here. I need to put a little trash bag in there, but it's so cute, you guys. I love it. Here's what it looks like now. It is so much more organized. These bins are literally the cutest things ever. So I put all of my hair stuff in this one because I had a lot of like miscellaneous hair things. So I just put everything in one bin. This is all of my like, I don't know, first aid kit kind of stuff. So I have everything for like my fingers and some like medicine and stuff. I have my tanning stuff, my makeup removers, all that. Have some toilet paper, tampons. So now we just need to figure out this area. So obviously I need to pick some of this stuff up, but it looks so good in here, you guys. So I ended up putting my makeup down here on my nightstand, and then I put the basket that was there under my sink. It looks a little bit more like cluttered now, but at least I can like close this and like not have to look at it. Hi guys, so honestly originally I was anticipating this whole video to occur in like one solid day, but it's day 2 like I said earlier, but I ended up going shopping with my sister and I got more plants. So I will show you guys all my plants in a second. All I have to do to finish organizing for this video is my closet, and Doug is coming over in a little bit to help me put my shoe shelf together. Honestly, I probably could do it by myself, I just don't want to. But he's also going to help me hang this up, and oh, and also, I don't even know where it went, put this thing up to hold my keys. Isn't it cute? So he's gonna help me with that in a little bit, but I am so excited. I got some plants. I had a really fun day. So this is an ivy plant. It's literally huge already. It was such a good deal. It was only $20. I need to clean off all the leaves and everything, but I'm going to hang it up in that corner. So Doug is gonna help me with that tonight, but it is so cute and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so pretty hanging up. And then I also got this beautiful pink plant. I did not even know that these things existed, so I'm so excited about this. I need to plant this or like put it in the pot, but this is the pot that I got for it, so it's like all matchy super cute. And then I also got this plant, so this one is going to go in here, which I can actually just switch that out right now. Oh, it's so cute. But I also got a pot for this guy, so he's gonna go in there. I need to plant it though. So I think that's all I'm gonna do with my closet for now. And then also my towels. So OCM sent me the cutest ladder. I wasn't sure where I wanted to put it, but I think it would be so cute in my bathroom. This is actually literally so cute. Okay, kind of love this. I'm trying to like show you as best as I can, but this is what it looks like. I obviously didn't fit like all my towels on here, but these are just like the cute ones. I kind of want to find some like shelves to put up here. Hi guys, so it's day 3 and everything is officially done with like organizing and everything. Doug came over last night and built the shoe shelf for me and hung some stuff up for me, but he didn't want me to film him, so I didn't get any footage of that. Blame him, not me. So let me show you guys everything that's like different. There's not that much. So here is my closet. I didn't really change anything with up there or like here. This stuff is definitely not gonna stay there. It's just there because it's all decorating stuff and obviously I haven't decorated yet. And then my hamper will probably go over there. It's perfect. It fits all my shoes on it and it was only like $16, I think. It was super cheap. He also hung my plants up for me. I love this thing so much. I'm definitely going to put rope on it instead of like the plastic stuff that it came with, and I still need to throw out like my trash and stuff. But the last thing he did was hang up this key holder for me, so I just have my keys on it. It looks super cute and it's perfect right there under the light switch. So yeah, that kind of ended up being a mess again. My bed is all good, but yeah, so that is all of the organizing for today's video. I showed you guys my bathroom, nothing different with that, and everything is literally so perfect. It's exactly how I wanted it. So now I just have to decorate, but that's gonna be a separate video. Don't worry, it's gonna be a good one. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. The links are in the down bar below, but I will see you guys very soon. Bye.